Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today it's the beginning of this year's Halloween collection. Every year with my nephew and nieces we watch the same movies in this confusing time between Halloween and Christmas. So I decided to represent my family's 4 favorite movies in 4 creations. We start the ball with Charlie and the Chocolate Factory cold process soap, then Narnia solid bubble bath, Hocus Pocus candles, and finally Harry Potter slime bubble bath. For this one, in a chocolate bar, we will find the main colors of this movie, gold of course, pink, purple, yellow, orange, green and blue, topped with yellow whipped soap, a purple coulis, gold glitter and melt and pour decoration. Chocolate bars covered in gold and black hats decorated with a golden W. For the smell, I didn't go for chocolate, which will have been the most logical, but I still have several chocolate scented soap, so I opted for an equally delicious fragrance oil, Gourmet Brioche, from the store Smelling Good. It smells like cakes, hot butter and sugar. I will start by making my melt and pour decoration. Then I will move on to making the soap and I will tell you more at the time. For the soap itself, I went with a recipe that I know and master well, a mixture of cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil and avocado oil. Once my recipe is ready, I will divide it into 7 non-equal parts. My yellow and brown parts will be the most important, and I need more pink and purple than green, orange and blue. I leave you with the video and meet you at the end to take a look at the result together. I'm mortified. I must have made a mistake in my calculation because I don't have enough soap paste for my whipped cream. Clearly, half of it is missing. It's a shame, but I think I've made up for my mistake. What do you think? I will see you in 2 or 3 days for unmolding. I was very busy with the start of the school year and didn't even have the time to remove its wooden box. I'm going to do it right away and unmold it. It's ready, it no longer sticks to the mold at all. The smell has changed slightly, but remains delicious. Let's quickly cut it out to see what he has in store for us. I like it a lot. There are too many colors for my taste, but I was working with very precise specifications from the children around me, who are delighted by their Halloween soap. Now they have, now that they have seen them, they just have to wait 5 weeks for the cure to taste them. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.